Yesterday it was confirmed that the Honor 9X will be announced on July 23rd. Prior to the announcement of the release date, alleged specs of the phone already leaked. Now, a new set of leaks have surfaced. One shows what the phone will look like, and another is a new set of specifications, while a third mentions a new feature. According to the newly leaked specs, the Honor 9X will have a 6.15-inch AMOLED display with a 2240 by 1080 resolution. The display is smaller than that of the Honor 8X, but fans of the series will be excited to see that Honor is switching to AMOLED. However, that may also mean the phone will be priced higher. It is a bit unusual that Honor will use an AMOLED display on its mid-range phones when its latest flagships, the Honor 20 and Honor 20 Pro, have LCD displays. But it is understandable as the Honor 20 phones had to settle for punch-hole LCD displays since Samsung is the only manufacturer with phones that have punch-hole AMOLED displays. The leak says the phone will have an octa-core processor but doesn't specify which one it is. Previous leaks have revealed it will be powered by the new 7nm Kirin 810 chipset that launched with the Nova 5. The SoC will be paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Honor 9X will have a 20MP selfie camera and dual-rear cameras 20MP plus 16MP. It will also have support for 10-watt charging via a USB-C port. That seems low for a phone that packs an AMOLED display and a 7nm chipset. The source of the second leak is Evan Blass, who tweeted a diagram of the phone with the caption Honor 9X. The image shows the Honor 9X will have a display that nearly covers the entire front of the phone. The bezels have been trimmed down, but the chin is slightly. The phone doesn't have a punch hole or notch tube. Instead, going by the leaked specs above, the selfie camera is a 20MP sensor. The image also shows the rear of the phone, which is home to dual-rear cameras. The cameras and the LED flash share the same housing and are positioned on the left side of the phone. The first leaked specs actually said the phone will have triple-rear camera. The new leaked specs also states that the phone will have dual-rear camera. There is no fingerprint scanner on the rear of the Honor 9X, but seeing as the phone will be coming with an AMOLED display, that means there should be. The phone's retail box also surfaced in a video. The box is white. The Honor 9X will support a new gamepad. The gamepad, a directional keys, and a joystick on one side and action. The Honor Play will not be getting a successor this year or ever, so the X series will be taking its place, which explains why it is getting a gaming. The Honor 9X should run EMUI 9 based on Android 9 Pie out of the box.